Springtime is finally back! Well, it's not quite time for bat hibernation to stop yet, but the snow is gone. So anyway, tonight's video will contain few to no bones, but it will have fish. Chondrichthyes is a class of fish that have cartilage instead of bone. Cartilage is less rigid than bone and its structure is less organized. It also has no vessels running through. This means that red blood cells in cartilage fish don't come from the marrow, but is instead made in the spleen, some tissue around the gonads, or the unique Leydig's organ. But there's more to those fish than cartilage. They're all covered in tooth-like scales. Well, except for electric rays. But for the others, their denticles are mostly oriented all in the same direction. This makes them feel smooth one way, but coarse like sandpaper in the other way. This structure makes them more hydrodynamic and also makes them tougher than smoother fish. Here's something crazy though. The teeth of cartilage fish might actually be modified scales. Or maybe it's the other way around. Having no real bones, I guess it makes sense they wouldn't have normal teeth. Like most fish though, they have gills instead of lungs. Some of them need to keep swimming, but others can pump water with spiracles, little holes or slits found behind the eyes. Cartilage fish also have organs called electroreceptors. Those jelly-filled pores detect electrical currents, which can be used to find prey, navigate, and sense temperature more accurately. Most of these fish have big eyes, good balance, and a good sense of smell. That's the only way in which a fish can smell good. For reproduction, cartilage fish are all over the place. Most will have their eggs hatch inside the mother, and the pups will come out later. Some species lay eggs though, and some rare species even forego the eggs entirely. They give live birth just like most mammals. There is quite a variety of cartilage fish. They're often split into two subclasses. Elasmobranchi, which includes sharks, rays, skates, and sawfish, and holocephali, also called chimeras. The smallest cartilage fish is the 10cm finless sleeper ray, and the largest one is the whale shark at 10 meters. I think the reason why this class of fish is so weird is that this taxon is really old, older than dinosaurs in fact. But don't think that means they've stopped evolving. Nothing does until they're extinct. So hopefully you learned some cool stuff about those fish. And with that, I'll wish you a wonderful night.